Welcome back to my YouTube channel, EV Riders. Today, we diving into the most popular SUV 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio on the horizon by Inside Scoop. One of the high-end vehicles that the Stellantis Group will keep making in Italy is the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Along with the new Giulia generation, the second generation of D-segment SUVs will also be built at the Casino plant. Stellantis STLA large platform will serve as the foundation for the upcoming Stelvio generation. At the moment, it is planned that the model will be only and exclusively electric. However, real sales are far fewer than planned due to the dramatic decline in demand for electric cars, which is causing serious issues for many manufacturing. The same might also apply to Alfa Romeo vehicles, specifically to the upcoming Alfa Romeo Stelvio, which might come with a hybrid powertrain in addition to an electric one. According to Jean Philippe Imparato, a lot will also depend on how the political elections in Europe and the United States turn out. One advantage of the STLA large platform is its versatility, which also makes it appropriate for hybrid versions. The D-segment SUV will undoubtedly get a technological update over the present model, in addition to the brand's designers' efforts to give it even more individuality. More opulent and superior materials will be utilized inside. In comparison to the present model, the grille, emblem, and headlights will be drastically altered, most likely taking cues from the Alfa Romeo Milano. The Charger has a 400-volt electrical architecture, whereas the Alphas are configured to use 800V. This modification should enable improved performance, quicker charging, and possibly reduced weight. Additionally, a new software architecture that enables over-the-air updates for the automobiles and STLA Smart Cockpit, a new infotainment interface driven by artificial intelligence, will make their debuts. The new Alfa Romeo Stelvio will arrive on the market in the second half of 2025, but it might not only be in an electric version as planned. We won't have to wait long to see the camouflaged prototype engaged in the first tests, which will in all probability start a few months after the debut of the Alfa Romeo Milano. What is your opinion for 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio? Please put down your comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel. And turn on the notification bell. Visit www.ev-riders.com for EVS and the latest car news. See you later.